Hi again. I've been reading about negotiating on masslegalhelp.org, and I think I'm ready. Any tips on what I should agree to?
Only agree to things you know you can do. Do not agree to something you only hope you can do. An agreement becomes an order of the court. If you do not follow the agreement, your landlord can go back to court for permission to move you out. Do not agree to move out if you cannot find another place by the date the landlord wants you to move. And only agree to make payments you are sure you can pay. If you do not make the payments you agree to, the landlord can go back to court for an order to move you out.
And in the actual agreement?
Read the agreement. Once you sign an agreement, you can only change it if the landlord agrees or the court orders it. Put in your agreement that the court will dismiss your eviction case once you have met the terms of the agreement. Put in a fixed time that your eviction case will be dismissed. For example, put in the agreement the judgment will be vacated and the case dismissed within 5 business days of all payments being made. If you are staying in your apartment, put in the agreement that your tenancy will be reinstated. Always check with the court to make sure that your case is dismissed.
Is there anything else I should include in the agreement?
Yes. Include in your agreement that if your landlord does not follow the agreement, you can file a motion. Your motion would ask the court to order your landlord to follow the agreement. For example, if your landlord agreed to make certain repairs and did not make them, your agreement would allow you to file a motion that asks the court to order the landlord to make the repairs. Also, include in your agreement that if you do not follow the agreement, your landlord must file a motion for a hearing to get a final eviction order. This means you have a chance to explain to a judge why you could not follow the agreement. Never sign an agreement if you do not understand it. Only sign an agreement if you are sure you can do the things you have agreed to do. Get help. Ask if there is a lawyer for the day program or a volunteer lawyer in the court. Ask if the court has mediators. Tell your side of the story. Speak up for what you need. You are not required to make an agreement. You have the right to have a judge or jury decide your case. If your landlord pressures you to sign an agreement, tell the clerk you want to see a mediator.